Dear friends, greeting. In this presentation, I am going to discuss with you the applications of virtual reality for learning and teaching purposes. So here, the current developments as such, the applications which are based on Ethereum and non-Ethereum based applications, they have boosted the emergence of virtual reality applications and particularly the applications of Metaverse. It all started with simple text-based MUD, which is the multi-user dungeon, the simple kind of games which the people used to play few decades ago, to the completely fully graphic massive locations and like the three kind of 3D games or MMORPG which are in vogue currently for there. If we see this field, we can classify these experiences into these four categories. The augmented reality, which is in a way a superimposition of digital world over the physical world, and the virtual reality, in which with the help of the computer generated simulations, the virtual world, we experience the interactions with objects, with people, with some applications and something like that. And then a mixture of augmented reality based applications and virtual reality leads us to the mixed reality applications. Extended reality is that in which we use the advanced applications and integrated with other like haptic or chemical or auditory or visual, those kind of a mix of those applications, it goes with them. On the basis of what kind of experience we are creating, we can categorize them into either non-immersive, semi-immersive, or fully immersive kind of learning experiences, which goes into the teaching learning scenarios and there. So nowadays, we have various kind of platforms which are available for different kind of devices, like for the desktop computer or mobile phones or even Macintosh computer systems, etc., something like that. These have become so popular that nowadays it is being projected as the next revolution in the media field. As the virtual reality applications, they have their implications for vast majority of the industries and various sectors, various scenarios where we can use these applications. If you are interested in creating virtual reality applications, I suggest that you visit this website, Sketchfab, which hosts various Creative Commons assigned license objects. And these are 3D objects, which you can just use for your virtual reality applications. And they are very good. Means a lot of interesting pertaining to various themes and purposes. You can search the content on this website. If we have a look at what kind of hardware or platform these are in vogue in this field, you can see that they are available for like in various forms. So some of the applications, they can be easily run into on mobile platforms, and then from smartphone up to the PlayStations or personal computer, and the kind of controller from the simple no button or single button up to the primary motion controllers and touch motion controllers, etc. A wide variety of things it is available on there. If we see in the form of its organization based on whether it is auditory, visual, or haptic, or speech, or chemical, etc. So using various kind of like sound generation or polygon generation or surface generation, signal processing, etc. The various kind of simulation systems like sound simulation, visual simulation, physical or speech recognition, etc. they are, composed in such a way that a holistic VR experience is created from there. So if you are looking to create certain content, one website I showed it to you. This is another website, which is readyplayer.me, where you can create your own avatar, and means that can run on various, as you can see on the screen here, like Somnium Space or Spatial or SideQuest, etc. They are the things which are where you can run these content, which your avatar, which you create. This is another interesting platform, Spatial.io. You can create your avatar, and based on your likings, the kind of facial features you want or the attire you want to use, that you can select. So you can configure your avatar in such a way that it represents your digital identity. This is the technology backbone framework which was suggested by Dr. Lee from Korea, that how with the help of technology and ecosystem, the metaverse or the virtual reality applications, they can be created. And this uses artificial intelligence, blockchain, computer vision, extended reality, IoT, sensors, etc. There are various things which are used into that. Based on the kind of purpose, we can use these kind of tools which can be helpful for creating text-based or image or audio or video, gaming, 3D, virtual, mixed reality, augmented reality, those kind of experiences. So it can give you an idea that what you can involve and where we can work. One of the important thing here is the user interactivity, the kind of input we have and the kind of output or the kind of feedback from where we can get, that becomes quite important in this field, which we need to examine and incorporate into it so that it becomes interactive in nature. So here the user, and as you can see in the images, you interact with the objects, and it uses the hand gesture recognition and object tracking. So that we can connect and communicate with the smart devices in the smart learning environments in that. There are certain current challenges of the hardware and the content, in the sense that the device is bulky, the head-mounted devices, and if you use it for a longer time, you may feel little dizziness because our eyes, or we are not accustomed to see it from there. The another thing is the kind of content quality at present, that is still a challenge with that. So it has the virtual reality applications, they have its impact on almost all kind. You can see them in sports, tourism, retail, or fashion, or music industry, TV, means production, etc. Long list. But what is does for the education is that in the form of thinking of next generation education. So the more focus it allows us to put on user experience and user interface. The content can be created using AI tools. Like there are many AI applications which allow us to create content from there. And then we have it is all platforms like and mixed reality cloud knitting applications. So here, larger number of non-gaming social activities, they are being created. And we find that we call it as phygital, a merge of physical as well as digital. And now even AR lenses, they are improving. Very soon, they will be available in the market, in which you wear the AR glasses and can have those experience with you. So you can create your dynamic avatars in the real-time simulation visualization that can be created from there. So with this, the field is very interesting, and we look forward to more applications in future. Thank you so much.